Hey, Honors Math 1, this is Mr. Roberts, and I just want to take a moment to share with you the structure that we're going to use every day as we're meeting online. First of all, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, starting at 10 until 11 a.m. each day, I'll be available online for a Zoom meeting. I'll post a link to that in the classroom that you can click and follow to come on in and ask questions, get help, see what's going on. So look for me online Monday, Wednesdays, um, and Fridays at those times. The other thing that I'll be doing is posting this every day. So this is the assignment that you got on Tuesday, the 14th of April for section 9.1. You're always going to see a lecture and check for understanding. This will be a place where there'll be a video that you watch, interact with, and then there's going to be a few questions that kind of check your understanding for what we just talked about. Do your best. I understand that there's not an opportunity for you to ask me questions while I'm presenting, so just do your best, and we'll see what happens with that. Also, remember, if there's questions or uncertainties, bring those up during the classroom help time. So if I was to follow this link, right, and you just click it, go to this, it'll bring it right here, right? So this is where you can see what this looks like. That's a little bit better. So there'll be a video, some instructions that you might want to read up here, the video that you'll watch, and then I just want you to rate your understanding of that content. And then below, you'll see a series of questions that kind of reflect back on what was just talked about. Answer those to the best of your ability. Do be careful if it says, like for example, question 8 on this one says select all values that are solutions. So the inequality is x is less than or equal to 12. Click all of the ones that's true. Um, Same thing here. So that's one part of what you do is the lecture video and then the check for understanding. And then below that, I'll have the homework assignment that's associated with this section. So the homework assignment for Tuesday was questions 7 through 13. And there is a link here to upload an image of your work. What that looks like, if I were to click it, it's pretty simple. It just says upload one image of your completed homework. Now, if you're using a Chromebook, you can take a picture with that, save it in your Google Drive, and then just upload that image. This is limited to a single file, 10 megabytes or smaller. Um, Allowed file types also includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, video, and images and audio. So you just click upload a file, and then in your OS or whatever you're using, right? I'm using just a web browser right now. You just pick a file that you want to submit and then upload that. And then in addition to having the homework listed in a place where you're going to upload an image of your completed work, I've also posted the questions and their actual answers. So question 7, you'll have to look in the online textbook, but you'll see the question and this is the answer. And also I'm posting video solutions. My goal here is for you to really kind of be in charge of your own learning and understand what you know when you don't know, and realize that we're going to circle back around and I'm going to be asking you questions. So really kind of work for understanding. Make that your goal always, not just getting something done, but just get get to a point where you understand what's going on, and then click these videos and watch them. My understanding, my assumption is that if you're clicking this video, that means that you really don't know how to do this question, and I try to be as thorough as possible. Some of them can get 10 minutes long, so obviously I don't want you watching all of these for each assignment, but the ones that you need, the ones that you maybe have been confused about, go ahead and click and view my solutions. The other thing is that on Wednesday, or I'm sorry, on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during class session, if you've got questions, come on in and ask me about those. Just don't be afraid to say, hey, chapter 9, question 7, and we can talk about specific questions that you've had during the week. All right, so I hope that this structure makes you feel comfortable. You see what the expectation are, what we're going to be doing, and that it's not a different thing every day, but I just want to keep it just really consistent so that you're seeing pretty much the same document with the different section number, a watch and check, upload image of your work, and then the solutions for that section. This is Mr. Roberts. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you.